So every hotel has a free shuttle to this part, then you have to pay for the shuttle.
An empty shell. I spent the weekend in the clouds. Was it always had to come back down? Tuesday doesn't get much better, no. Feels like it goes on forever. So here's another week to cure the pain. The months gone by, I feel the same. And I'm stuck in
This is the beginning of the trail to Narrows.
I was wondering if you would be mine. Caught in this world in the sky. I'm stuck in it.
This is where the Narrows truly begins. We are already waist deep.
I spend every Wednesday on the floor, praying that the world has something more to offer me on Thursday, Friday.
Now we are truly in the Narrows. There's two ways you can go, left or right. You went right.
I could take a pill and just forget. Strap me to a great big jet plane. I'll be back again on Monday. And I'm just looking for some sunshine. I was wondering if you would be mine. Caught in this world in the sky. I'm stuck in it on the quiet sky twice. It's swinging from the cherry red wine. Sunday sunshine. Sunday looking for some sunshine. I was wondering